Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a slap house bass using Ableton stock plugin, the Wavetable synth, and this is how the bass sounds. So let's begin by adding a new MIDI track. Let's copy this MIDI clip down. Let's add a Wavetable synth to this track and let's start making that sound. First, let's go to the amp envelope and let's set it. The attack to 0, the sustain all the way up, and the release to ATMS. Alright, going to oscillator 1, go to the category type, select category type filter, select the wavetable frequency FM and set the wavetable position to 16. Let's do the same with oscillator 2. First, let's switch it on. Go to the category type, select filter, name of the wavetable, frequency FM, wavetable position 16%. Okay, let's go to oscillator 1 again and select the FX type FM, tune it all the way to 100 and amount set it to 15%. Let's go to oscillator 2, FX FM, tune, let it be at 0 and amount at 6. Now let's hear the bass. Nah, this is not what it is. So let's edit the sound more. Let's select the filter to 24 dB by clicking here and move the knob to around 35. And now let's go to matrix and let's send the envelope 2 to the frequency and let's set it to 66. Now let's hear the sound. Almost there. Let's set the envelope 2 now. Let's set the attack to 0. Let's set the decay at 431, sustain at 30, and release at 127. Almost there. All we need right now is that initial transient, that clicky sound, and we're going to do that with the help of envelope 3. So let's set the envelope 3 now. Attack all the way down to 0, decay to 8. Let's put it down to 8. Let's just type in 8. Sustain all the way down to 0 and release to 174. Let's go to slope and let the attack be at 0. The decay, let's put it to 100 and release, let it be at 50. The value we're going to change, the peak to 80 and rest we're going to just let it be, and the matrix we're going to add the pitch. Let's hear this 24. Let's put it to 48. That's about it with the wavetable. Let's add some effects. Let's add the saturator, my favorite, and let's select the curve, medium curve, and let's pull the bass to -36. Now let's go to multiband and add the OTT. Output let's set at 6 dB and the amount around 25%. Now let's hear the bass. So that's it. That's how you make a slap house bass using Ableton stock plugin, the Wavetable synth. I hope you guys loved the video. If you did, please do click on that like button. That will really help me a lot. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.